Hi guys, so today we are talking about the pending orders, and it is one of the most important tool that is present within your broker, and I hope you guys are knowing about it. But all those guys who aren't knowing about it, so I would be explaining you in these concepts in detail, and I would also be taking you to MT5 for the better understanding. The same concept also applies on MetaTrader 4, so there's nothing to worry about. So pending orders are not like market orders. So pending orders are placed prior to the price reaching to a certain level, right? So they actually automatically execute a trade for you. So whenever you place a trade, or whenever you place an order that is prior to the price reaching to that certain level, it is already sent to the server. So whenever the price reaches to the certain point, it executes. So I hope this makes sense. So there are like we have like four types of orders: buy stop, sell stop, buy limit, and sell limit. So I would be explaining you right now here on the trading view, and then we can further move towards the broker chart. So guys, I would be taking two together, that what is difference between buy stop and sell stop, right guys? So for example, the price is currently right now here. So whenever the price, this is the price here. So whenever the price would be touching this level, your order would be executed, and that order is known as buy stop. So here your order would be executed, and you can ride the trade along without being present on the charts. So similar concept applies here. Like for example, you had an analysis that whenever the price would be coming back to this level, your trade would be executed. So whenever the price would be coming to this level, so at this level your trade would be executed for buys. But guys, this is the really important concept that you need to understand, that the buy stops are placed in direction to the price, but on the other hand, the limits are placed opposite to the direction of the price. Like for example, as we know that the buys are always moving towards the upper side and sells are moving on the lower side, but the buy limit actually means that whenever the price would be touching this point, and it is placed underneath the price, whenever the price would be touching at this point, there would be a buy order that would be placed. So guys, what is now sell limit and sell stop? So the concept remains the same, but the directions are opposite. So sell stop means that whenever the price, which is right now at this point, when it would be reaching at this level, so our idea is that the sells would continue. So our order would be triggered in the directions of that sells, right? But on the other hand, that for example, you just think that this price would be going back at this level around here, and you believe that around here the price can go back, and then the price can give us a pullback. So in that case, you can place your sell limit here, right? So guys, the most important thing is that you aren't supposed to enter the market orders each and every time, but you can place these pending orders. So for the better understanding, I would be telling you one secret at the end that would be really helpful for you guys. Guys, as you can see that we are right now at the MetaTrader. So these MetaTraders are two types of MetaTraders, MT4 and MT5, and these concepts apply in both of them. So currently we can see that the price is here, right? So what you need to do is you need to use this tool, and you can set any lot size. For example, we just set 0.50 lot size, right? So you're believing that whenever the price breaks this level, so we can lock in profit up till there, right? So you just simply need to go there and go into this trading and put buy stop. So as the buy stop is placed, right, you can even add your stop loss and take profit, and you can just sleep. It's that simple, because whenever the price would be reached, it would automatically triggered. So there are like you can set your expiration time as well. So similarly guys, now let's put, now what we believe that the price when it would be coming here, then there would be a buy on the upper side. So in that case, we only need to set buy limit. So we would be setting buy limit here. So whenever the price would be coming at this point, we believe that there could be a buy again. So in that case, similarly, you can set your stop losses and take profits as well. Now guys, I would be using another method for you guys. So simply, for example, now you want to set a sell stop, right? You believe that this price can go from down there. So our current price is around 139 200, 138 200, right? We understand that. We can copy it, right? Now what we can do is go into the trading and we can go in the new order, right? From here there's a type market execution and pending orders, right? So you want to place like sell stop because you believe that if the price triggers at this point, right, so your trade can be executed for the sell. So you need to just place your desired price, right? And you need to like change your volume to like 0.50, right? And we can place our trade here. So see, this is a sell stop that is already placed here, right? You can even modify it, you can move it, and you can even put your stop losses and take profits as well. Similarly, guys, you believe that the price, when it comes around at this point, right? So we should be placing our sells, right? Because there are certain people who aren't thinking in the direction. They just know that if the price pulls back and then it gives us the continuation, it would be a good healthy deal. So for example, we believe that at this point, if the price comes back at this point, then we can get a good sell there, and it could be more, and we can catch a better trend. So just place sell limit here, right? So whenever the price come at this point, your trade would be executed. So this is the idea behind it. So guys, what I was about to reveal you is really important. So for example, guys, if you have a larger spread, then it would be best for you to place a pending order, right? You can even place a pending order right here. So next, and your trade would be executed here, right? So the idea is that when you have like bigger spreads in your trading account and you want to execute a market position, your position would be placed a little lower or little upper than your desired number. So if you place a pending order prior to the price reaching to that, because for example, if you guys need to like take a trade on this level, right? So you can just put a buy order here rather than waiting for the price to come to that market, rather than clicking for a market order, because whenever you place a market order, the price is always placed on like ask price. So that is the biggest problem out there. And secondly, all those guys who are trading, like for example on the crypto exchanges, and whenever you place a market order, you would be charged more fee. But on the other hand, if you would be placing it on up through a pending order, your trade fee might be less, or maybe it would be there wouldn't be any kind of fee. So this is the tip which I wanted to give you guys, and I believe that if you start using these orders, they would make your trading far more easier rather than waiting for the market orders. So anyway guys, my motive is to just uh, tell you the market realities, and keep following, keep supporting, and thank you guys.